Tackle him. He likes to be Bridger likes to wrestle.
Tackle Bridger. No rock for you. Tackle Bridger. No rock for you. No rock. No rock. Dude, you're gonna get body slammed, dog. Back right now.
Go. Get him.
Body slam.
Tackle him. Careful, look, he's getting...
No rock! No rock for you!
Oh! John! Look at him!
No rock for you!
If he bites you, I warn you.
No rock for you! No rock for you!
Dude, I warn you, he gets pissed.
No rock for you! Bridget, calm down. No rock for you! Oh, no rock!
This dog is mad.
No rock! No rock! Bob doesn't like cow tipped him when you get mad.
No, he'll just take it.
Bridget! Stop the ball down, Bridget! No, you have to like the ball! Keep that down!
Like, eventually, when he's chasing you, he'll come back and just jump on you instead of run away.
Yeah, you took me out, dude!
Cow tipping!
Yeah, push him over! Oh! Boom!
You too.
You don't even care, man! You don't even care!
Oh, I got him!
I can't see. Nice. I can see. You can't see now. Cannot. This is not allowed to be seen here.
No video. No video. No video. No video. No video.
No video.